Hello everybody! Today we're going to learn how to cook a carbonara pasta, and the ingredients for this recipe are spaghettis, black pepper, bacon, olive oil, dried tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, buttermilk, egg yolks, and garlic powder. Okay? First, we're going to boil a pot of water. When the water is boiling, we are going to add salt, and then we're going to add the pasta. Then we're going to saute in a frying pan, hot frying pan, the bacon, with the chopped onions, and the dried tomatoes until they get caramelized. In the meantime, in a bowl, we're going to mix the egg yolks with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And the secret of this sauce is that we are going to add a little bit of a scoop of our boiling pasta water into this mix of egg yolks. Next step, we're going to add the cooked pasta to the bacon and caramelized onions, and we're going to stir it for about a minute and a half. Finally, we're going to add our mix of egg yolks and Parmesan cheese. A little bit of milk cream. We're going to turn our heat off. And add some black pepper. Then we're going to finish it, stirring it up and mixing all the flavor. The thing that we don't want is our egg yolk to cook. have our final product. Carbonara pasta with Parmesan cheese, bacon, dried tomatoes, fresh black pepper. Thank you.